Hello friends, today I am going to discuss sets. So just we are going to I am going to discuss sets. So most of the people didn't just know about the what is the sets. So sets like a group of elements you can say here. But in Python, sets like a to make a sets object pass in the sequences or other iterable objects to built in a set functions. So if I write here as an example I am giving here x will equal to x like as a variable I am using a set functions right here act set and now condition a b c d a b c d e right here and another sets I am going to create here y as a variable and again I am writing here set and b d x y z something b d x y z. This means I have created two sets. Now look here. So first to get back to a set objects. So this means it contains all the items in the object passed in the like orderings. So if I am going to print x print and now x as a variable. So look here what happened. Just it will look like as a b c d e all these elements like this. So please wait 1 minute because yeah look here. So a b d e c a all has been look like as a sets. Okay, doesn't matter where is the a b and c d, but if you keep like a display this way. Similarly if you write here e in x, now I am going to create here e e and now in x e in x. So means e in x. So sets made this with the support the common like a mathematical set operations with the expressions operators. So e if I write here, so we must create a set from them in order to apply these tools like as a member. So e is as a member of, so this is the membership. Say e belongs e as a member of x, you can say here. Similarly now I am gave because I have created that there are two sets, one is the x another is the y. So now the print here print and now y is the another variable. So we can see here, so d b y z and x, and now I am going to write here differences between these two sets. So how do I get a differences between? So I write here x minus y. Is it possible to get a differences between two sets? So now yeah, is it possible to you can get here differences. So now look here, this one has been like difference between x and y. Similarly if you write the x divided by union y as a, So if you write here the union y like this, union okay, so I can write here x and slash y, okay, and this has been look like this one. So union as a sense means it all the elements it contains in the A sets, and another the all the elements it contains in the B sets. But if you have the any common elements between both the sets, so it is written in ones. So it is written once. So look here, I think don't have the any common sets in both of them. So all elements has been written, both the elements it belongs the set in variables A sets and variable Y sets. Now if I write here intersection, so how do I write the intersection? So look like here intersection intersections means you can write here x and y. So I am going to write here x and as in this symbol and y. So intersections means just only the common has been written. So B is a common and D is a common. So B and D has been a common, and so it has been written. So okay, if you don't have the intersection, so it is only the empty set, you can say. Now if I am going to write here symmetric differences, so symmetric differences means you write here sy double metric symmetric differences ENC, right? So symmetric differences means I can represent x and y. So look here, so x to like x to the power, okay, so I have gotten a mistake, just I have to write only the small y. So x to the power y, and we can see like this x symmetric differences look like this. So it belongs to the x and y. So don't write here the common terms. And now the superset subsets. So I am going to write here the supersets and subsets. So superset and subset right here. So superset subsets means x is greater than if I write here x is greater than y and another x is less than y, x is less than y. So look here, what happens just means if x is greater than y, it is a false, and y x is also less than y, both has been look like a false, because these are not a numeric value, so we can't compare as a variables like this way. So in the additions or expressions in the set object provides the methods that like corresponding of these operations are the mode, and similarly we can do the more practice. So the sets add methods, inserts the one items, and update is an in the place of like a union. Also you can remove and delete an items by value. So you can use the other way, assuming like x and y are still as they were in the period intersection. So Let's see the alternative way. Like here, just if I am going to write here z as a one more variable. So x I have already taken the previous variable. I need to the intersection. So intersections with the y. So intersection as a functions I intersections. Look here, intersections update intersections. So both are the given, and I need to create the intersections with a look like y. So you put here the y, so it will be same as x and y. So print z, and you can also write as it is z. So look here, b and d. So look here, previous intersections, so previous b and d, and this intersections also. So this is like additions to expressions. The set object provide the methods. So this is the method. Similarly, we can write here add, like this something here. So you can use the add method. So I am going to write here z dot and add, right, and I need to the add some parenthesis, something like a SPAM, okay, and SPAM I am going to add. Now look here, and then z had been seen like this. Now z is going to print like this. So look here, so spam b and d has been created the new sets. So insert one item. So this means here I have inserted the one item. Insert one item, right. Similarly, I want to some like remove the some elements. So let's see, just I am going to use a delete the one item here. So you can use z dot remove, and now just b I want to the remove from this set. So let's see what happened. So the new z has been created, look like a remove. So this one look like this. What happens, just b is I have to remove the only the b. So REMOVE, right, I have written there, and b, okay, it must be right as a this way, like first, and then we need a first quotations, we need a write up inside of this quotations. Okay, now I print here z. So you can see here, I think it is a clear span and b. So these are a way how to create. Similarly, we can use the numeric way. So we can write the numbers and we can prove here. So I think it is a helpful for everyone. Thank you.